The Leaf Thief by Alice Heming and Nicola Slater. What a wonderful time of year! I am snug in my nest with a belly full of hazelnuts, and the sun is shining through my leafy canopy. Such lovely colors. Red, gold, orange. Red, gold, orange, red, gold. Wait a minute. One of my leaves is missing. Where is it? It's not in here. It's not under here. Bird!
Hello? Is anybody
What
home?
is the matter?
Someone stole my leaf.
My leaf is gone.
Your leaf?
Yes, one of my leaves is missing. My leaf looked a lot like that one, the one Mouse has.
Look,
That
over
is
there.
not your leaf, Squirrel.
But how can you be sure? Mouse? Mouse, did you steal my leaf?
No, this is my boat. See, Squirrel? It is perfectly normal to lose a leaf or two at this time of the year, okay?
Okay, thanks, Bird. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thanks.
The next morning. Oh no, this is bad. Bird!
Bird!
What is the matter this time?
More leaves have been stolen. Excuse me, Woodpecker. Are those my leaves?
No, they are my leaves, Squirrel. I spent ages collecting them. No one is taking your leaves, Squirrel. This happened last year, remember?
Maybe.
I guess.
Why don't you go back to your nest and try to relax?
Okay. Thanks, Bird.
Okay, thank you.
Try to relax. Breathe in and out. Just relax. The following morning, this is a disaster! Bird? Bird! Where are you, Bird?
Help, Bird! Somebody!
Here, Squirrel.
Wait a minute. Are you the leaf thief?
No, Squirrel. I am not the leaf thief. I will show you the leaf thief.
Where are they? Because I've got a few things I'd like to say to them.
Look around you. The leaf thief is everywhere. Shakes the trees and rustles the leaves. It even takes your hat. Do you see the leaf thief, Squirrel? The only thief is the wind. This happens every year in the autumn. Every year. The leaves change colors and the wind blows them away. They'll grow back again in the spring. Now, I'm going home. Please don't disturb me again.
It was just the wind. The leaves change colors, and the wind blows them away. Of course. No leaf thief at all. Silly me. I'm going to sleep well tonight. The next morning. Bird! Someone has stolen the grass!